We are a dog. So think which dog pops into your mind. And this exercise works on joints, on release, on playfulness, letting go. And just think of the tongue, of the ears, and of the tail of a dog, and his ability to play. So, this is the posture of the hands, and feel that you're trembling, vibrating, and we will start shaking water. Coordinate the movement of the legs with the movement of the hands. And this way, it's hot. Make some air, some wind. And this way. And up. And shoulders up. And one of them, boof. And up. And let go. And up. And both of them. Now we will find the coordination of the head and the neck. Okay? Everything you are doing is followed by a yes movement or no movement. Woof, 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 woof. And we start with one hand. Woof, go away. Woof, go away. Woof, it's like a sword. And woof. Boom, 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 boom. And elbows. Release your elbows. Let your shoulders come with you. And see what you can do with your head. Okay. Pull one hand up. And boom, woof. Woof. Okay. And we start taking the knees, okay? Knees and pelvic, everything is loose. Other hand. Up, 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 up. You're pulled by the leash, you're pulled by the leash, and you let go. And let go, let go, let go. If you think you're crazy, that's fine. If you think you're stupid, it's also fine. If you think you're ugly, it's fine. Just everything go, let everything go. And legs, shake, shake, boof, boof. And you've just been into the water and you're shaking. Everything is shaking, everything is shaking. Pelvic. And now we will come to pull. We are pulled by both sides enormously. Take a deep in breath and release yourself. Whoosh! Whoosh! Boom! 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 One more time. Stretch. Pull yourself like elastic. Breathe in. And everything is broken. All the joints are loose. And they're working together. And you don't know exactly what you do. I don't also know what exactly I do. I just know the rhythm and the idea of just letting go. And also, if anger is coming, go away. that. Release your joint, your jaws. And let everything go out. What comes? Whatever you feel. And also here, take the time to close the exercise in a way, not an abrupt way. Keep on moving. Let everything go. Now we will let go of the most important thing, and this is our beautiful mind. Take a deep in breath and just let it go. Hands down. Organize yourself again into a structured body. Feel that you are one, made out of many pieces. Take a very deep in breath and